It's always good to look after your trees because this one's in a good position to pull other vehicles out when they get stuck. So if you put a rope around and pull it up tight, you'll ring bark it and kill the tree. If you don't have a tree protector, something that's wide that'll distribute the load around the tree, what you're trying to achieve is to not ring bark the tree. So you could do that with a few sticks. So just to take the load off the tree, stop the tree from getting cut. These sticks will take all the load there and the tree won't be damaged.
Woohoo! That was easy.
So you can see that there's not been any real damage to the tree. Got a bit of a scuff on the back there. Certainly hasn't ring barked it. Nothing it can't handle. There's a bit of load on that tree, on that rope. So we'll just release that with this slippery hitch knot. Pretty easy to do. And the tree can live to fight another day.